Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, babies nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being screamed by a child, and kids dressed up in sweaty clothes. Everybody knows a baby and a toddler help to make this season wild. Tiny tots with their hands everywhere make it hard for parents to relax. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies in his sleigh. And every mother's child doesn't want to sleep. They want to stay up and take a peep. And so I'm offering this simple phrase for parents of little tiny babes. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.